The next prerequisite is business requirement. Okay, in this, the first question I would ask is, what is the purpose of this WLAN? Why do they want to give it to the employees? What are they trying to achieve, right? We need to know if the very reason that they want to get Wi-Fi in the office, is it just to give them internet access, just to give them a portal to the internet? Because in that scenario, the requirement or recommendation will be very different. If they're just in an enterprise environment where we have devices connecting on the ground, is very different from a warehouse where we have 100 scanners connected on the Wi-Fi. So depending on this, we need to know why do they need this Wi-Fi setup, and based on that we can ask the relevant questions. The next thing I would ask is, what applications, right? What applications will be used over this WLAN? Again, this question is asked because of capacity and also QoS. So different applications will have different capacity requirement, and they come with different markings from the backend. So we need to understand that if I'm using just, if I'm using a voice over video call, or I'm just browsing the internet, right? We need to understand what kind of devices or what kind of applications clients will work on the ground, so that we can make better decisions around what to put as a threshold value in our site survey. So this is an important question. The next thing that I want to ask the customer is, who will use the WLAN? Okay. In some office, we have some HR department, we have a finance department, right? We have IT department, we have coding department. So for them, the requirement will be very different. HR or finance, they may not be using high intensive applications again. So we need to know what kind of devices or what kind of people will use this WLAN. It's important for us to know that as well. The next question is, what type of devices will connect, right? If you're using this Wi-Fi for just scanners, then we know .11b is also good enough. If you're using the scanner for an enterprise office where we have MacBook Pros, then we know we need to do a design on .11a or ACAX, of course, but the frequency would be 5 gigahertz, and 2.4 will anyway adapt. So it's very important for us to know what kind of devices will connect on the Wi-Fi. So these are the few questions which I will ask the customer when I want to know about their business requirement. Thank you.